Mumbai Bosso. Curling it in, headed away by Raju Gaikwad, and a prompt shot, and it's into the net. It's 1-all. This was to be the danger time. Cameroon were going to come hammer and tongs, and India couldn't withstand the pressure. And what a volley. Subroto Pal dived a fraction too late, as we will see, headed away by Raju Gaikwad, and there comes a bullet-like shot, very awkward bounce. On the volley, falls just before Subroto Pal. He anticipates a bit late. So it's even Stevens. It's 1-all, and we have a fight on our hands. Yes, that's it. Thierry Macon, 3 fouls by each. Here comes the reverse ball. This could be goal number 3. But the very courageous Mohammad Imran charges into his opponent and collects the ball. Daniel Bosso. As Thierry Macon was stopped on the ground, but this was a real dangerous move. Joseph Momaso to Thierry Macon's lovely dribbling skills. Beats 1, beats 2, and as he's shooting goalwards, Imran narrows the angle. Delightful dribbling skill, real classy play, swaying of the hips. He's shooting goalwards, but Imran has... Have a look at it again. Joseph Momaso thundering down the left. The return pass, delightful dribbling skills. The drag back, then the body swerve, and then the shot straight to the goalkeeper. Taken by Thierry Macon, who scored the equalizer. With his left foot, he can curl in an in-swinger, which he does to the far post. This is danger. Cotton Spot Garua has silenced the crowd. What a powerful header. It went like the speed of a rifle bullet. He's got power, he's got timing. There he goes. And even though there's a man standing on the line, it flies past him. So the favourites are 2-1 ahead. Cameroon leads because you have to now get into an attacking formation. The Cameroon supporters club gives India a chance. Now here come Cameroon, and they let fly, and an excellent save by Karanjit, who narrows the angle, because this was a blistering shot by Thierry Macon, who would just come on. A dream come true for him as Cameroon let fly. They get yet another corner kick. Who will not play? Is that going to be his first touch? Robert Latola. Cameroon keeping possession. Referee gives the free kick Cameroon's way. In the last, in fact, brings down Thierry Macon. It's Alvin George, Clifford Miranda. Mopondo, who'd worked a lot for his team in midfield, probably tiring. So Thierry Macon. Mopondo. Kingui Mopondo. Moving into attack. Thierry Macon. Very fine playmaker, Thierry Macon. He's stripped. No, he's to orchestrate everything. He was the leader of the band. And now they are missing Thierry Macon. But here come Cameroon again. And Thierry Macon lets fly. It's yet another corner kick. Intercepted well, but magical control. And now on the run, this can be dangerous. This could be goal number 2. No, a good save. A good save. One of the Maldives players injured. Thierry Macon had burst through. Yes, pushed it. There he goes, Thierry Macon. Pushed it past goalkeeper Mohammad Imran. But last ditch tackle by the defender. Where Paul Beboui Kingwe had an outstanding match of Akram Abdul Ghani. Now, past the half-hour mark, it's 1-all. Maldives getting yet another corner kick. Bisashu Tambe plays it square, and the final shot is missing from Abanga. Was he brought down? That was Thierry Macon who burst in. There's some lovely skills, dribbling, and he seems to fall over, or is it a tackle? First half. And what a bullet-like set piece. If you look at it now, they've gone to sleep. They have been deceived somewhat by the burly Vigny Merime. Everybody concentrated on him. Didn't see Mapondo coming in like a bulldozer. At the end, Cameroon can be very dangerous as the corner comes in and just headed away narrowly. Very dangerous corner kick. Floating inwards. As he's under attack, Mohamed Imran has nothing but to head it away. It's very important. These early stages, a slip and a chance. Lovely save by Imran. Thierry Macon. And to the final on 7 points. And Cameroon are all Pondo. Thierry Macon. Pondo. Mapondo. Thierry Macon. Hold 10 to 12, 13, 14, 15 passes they play amongst themselves. And then Silwan buys. Cameroon have now scored 10 goals in 3 matches. You can see they're a team which is dominating. Ashu Clevis Tembe, Thierry Macon, and Jean-Patrick Abouna plays it square. Gets the rebound and Hashmi Hamad, FIFA panel in 2011, and this would be the last attempt. Will they score goal number 2? Yes, they should. No! What a miss! What a miss! He's smiling, but that's because his team is leading. But a number 13 has missed Thierry Macon. Or Patrick Abouna. Now Cameroon to Thierry Macon. They can't get much power in the cross. Not cleared properly. This could be a chance for Cameroon. Whipped across the face of the goal. And there we see mistaken clearance by Rohit Chand. Easily beaten. Cross comes in from Thierry Macon. Goalkeeper doesn't clutch it properly, so a series of blunders by the Nepalese defense. First, Rohit Chand missed kicks, easily dribbled, crossed by Thierry Macon. Plays it back safely. Here come Nepal. Desperately trying to stop Cam. They've seen nice build-up. Joseph Momaso has started. The goal clearance so weak and Cameroon snatch onto the ball. This is Clevis Tembe. Nice reverse ball. This should be 2-0, and yes it is. Alex Burton Ondobo Ebanga. This is Clevis Ashu Tembe. Rolls it across the face of the goal, and a nice first-time shot by Alex Burton Ondobo Ebanga. And that's it, 2-0. But it's Cameroon once again picking up play. Cameroon accelerating, looking for yet another goal. Yoala. So we moved into added time, and let's see at present. And Cameroon giving a masterclass performance. Lovely dribbling skills. Top scorer in the Cameroon League. Yes, now here's the move. You can see how Nepal is outnumbered in defense. Slow, static, disinterested. It's a pity. Nepal always noted for very spirited football. Teams from the Royal Nepal Airlines earlier on. Skipper Paul Stephen. Lovely play over here by Thierry Macon, attacking midfielder. See the cross coming in. Raju Gaikwad will go up for the header. Thierry Macon traps. Just as Mehtab Hussain was trying to shoulder him, he volleys into the... Here come Cameroon again. This could be trouble, and it's a lucky miss for India. It's a really lucky miss. This should have been curtains for India. The Indian defense now caught napping. A bouncing ball. How he missed it. It's more difficult to miss from this angle than score. He really got overexcited. A bouncing ball. This was a gift. India giving an early Diwali gift to Cameroon. The Mark Viduka or Christian Vieri of Indian football. His fourth international cap. What can he do now? But here Cameroon come again, and a delightful tackle. Very timely tackle. Otherwise Thierry Macon was on his way. Raju Gaikwad to the rescue. He's injured himself, full stretch. But what a timely tackle by Raju for Cameroon whilst the celebrations were going on. Very well held by Subroto Pal. See it again. That's the Nehru Cup, the trophy for which these two teams are contesting. Will it go to the Raju Gaikwad? Made a very timely... That was by Thierry Macon. Thierry Macon box probably from 25 yards. They've definitely got rattled by the tenacious... Those are the trophies that will be distributed. The Nehru Cup. Spot Garura. Corner kick. Curled it in. Again he comes. Chance here for Cameroon. Can they get a shot in goal? Taking it on his favourite left foot, but blazed over. Blazed over by Thierry Macon on his favourite left foot, just over the bar. Corner kick on the far side. See this, Thierry Macon, very clever play, powerful thing, looking for a deflection. The ball curled in, missed kicks. A chance for Cameroon again. Nehru Cup, it was on penalties, India beating Syria. Sunil Chhetri will